Welcome to the dual axis tracking tips and tricks video. First, I want to show you how to start your setup to adjust the tracking to work just right for your machine. Start with a 7/16 spacing for your drive wheel from the chassis with one spacer between your chassis and dual axis tracking arm. Furthermore, the washer between the tracking wheel nylock nut and the tracking arm flap. These three locations can all move left or right to fine-tune your tracking to work on your attachment. Please note this will adjust tracking on other attachments as well, so tune to what you use the most. Start with the tracking arm flap, part 2 on the parts list of the dual axis tracking assembly instructions, in a 90-degree vertical orientation. And start your tracking hinge pivot, part 3. Make sure it is parallel to the shelf on the tracking arm base, part 9. You will find the tracking will work on multiple intersections between the small front knob and the large side knob, but you should begin in the above position. The small front knob is great for fine-tuning and running the machine in reverse. The large side knob is useful for large tweaks to tracking.